Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open the folder with your chosen image and confirm its resolution matches your monitor to avoid blur. Once done, copy the image to a dedicated wallpapers folder so it's organized and won't be moved. Make sure the file type is JPG or PNG for compatibility. If you need transparency, use PNG. Now keep the folder open and go to Display Settings to confirm scale and resolution. This prevents stretching when you apply the wallpaper. Next, open Settings and navigate to Personalization, then Background. Choose Picture for a single image or slideshow if you want rotation. Click Browse and select the file you saved. Once selected, choose a fit. Fill preserves focus, fit avoids cropping, stretch fills but may distort. If you have multiple monitors, right-click the file in the chooser to assign it to a particular display, or use Span for one image across screens. Make sure Power Settings won't stop slideshow when idle. Finally, apply the chosen setting and look at the desktop to confirm the image aligns and isn't pixelated. Lock and unlock the screen to ensure it persists. If details look soft, make sure Windows Display Scale is appropriate or pick a higher resolution copy of the image. Scaling often causes blur. If the wallpaper reverts or disappears, check that your file wasn't moved or deleted and disable Theme Sync if it keeps overriding local choices. This one tip fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.